product, there are basically two main reactions. One is stereospecific reaction and another is stereoselective reaction, right? Stereospecific reaction are basically reactant control reaction, in which the configuration of the reactant or substrate influence the configuration of the product. Or in other words, a reaction in which only specific isomer react in such a way that its configuration influence the configuration of the product. So the product depend on reactant. So what type of product you want to get, it depends on the reactant, right? You control the stereochemistry of the reactant to lead the product. One of the best example is anti-Markovnikov rule. If you want to get primary alcohol, that cannot be possible when you add acid in propene. So how you get primary alcohol? That is only possible if you control the reactant by adding peroxides or diboranes, right? These are the two ways. If you control the reactant, you will get the specific product which you want. So anti-Markovnikov rule is one of the best example of stereospecific reaction. On the other hand, Diels-Alder reaction. So Diels-Alder reaction, basically there are dienes and dienophile are involved in reaction, right? So there are diene exist in cis-side form as well as in transite form, right? So which diene you are using or which type of dienophile you are using, it will lead the product in such a way. So Diels-Alder reaction is also one of the example of stereospecific reaction. If we are talking about the stereoselective reaction, a reaction in which one specific isomer is formed to a greater extent than other. In other words, we can say that stereoselective reaction are those reactions in which we are getting more than one product, maybe two or maybe three or maybe four, in which one product is one product you are getting in major way, right? एक प्रोडक्ट आप मैक्सिमम हासिल करते हैं, बाकी जो प्रोडक्ट माइनर प्रोडक्ट होते हैं. So one product you are getting in major way, while other products you are getting in minor way. So such type of reaction is called stereoselective reaction. You are getting one predominant product than other. If you are talking about the chemoselective reaction, this is a chemistry-based reaction. A substrate or a reactant where more than one functional group, and there are chances if you add a reagent for reaction, there are two functional groups. If you selectively use such type of reagent which react with one functional group while other functional group remain intact, एक फंक्शनल ग्रुप के साथ तो ये रिएक्ट करेगा और दूसरा फंक्शनल ग्रुप इसके साथ रिएक्शन नहीं करेगा, तो ऐसे रिएक्शन जो है इनको हम केमोसेलेक्टिव रिएक्शन कहते हैं. सो जो थर्ड है रिजियोसेलेक्टिव रिएक्शन, फोर्थ वन, रिजियोसेलेक्टिव रिएक्शन आर दोस रिएक्शन दैट इज रीजन बेस्ड रिएक्शन, राइट? Anti-Markovnikov reaction is also one of the example of regioselective reaction also. Understand? Any question? Any question? We cannot say